To improve your credit score, consider the following strategies. Pay bills on time. Consistently, pay all your bills on or before the due date to build a positive payment history. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your credit limit. Pay down debts to decrease your credit utilization. Avoid opening unnecessary credit accounts. Only apply for new credit when needed, and be cautious about opening multiple accounts within a short time frame. Check your credit reports. Regularly review your credit reports for inaccuracies or errors. Dispute any discrepancies you find with the credit reporting agencies. Keep old accounts open. Keeping old, well-managed accounts open can positively impact your credit history length. Diversify credit types. If you can manage them responsibly, having a mix of credit accounts, for example, credit cards, installment loans, can be beneficial. Become an authorized user. If possible, ask a family member or friend with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history can help boost your credit score.